Good morning, students. I have explained your lesson that is for magician. So in this video I am going to just solve the question answer of this chapter without wasting the time. I am going to start. So first question is true and false, that is the comprehension A1. First one is, after their parents died, the four brothers were taken care of their uncles. So this statement is completely wrong. So the answer will be other thing. So uncle took care of them for sometimes, not all the times. The brother decided to learn magic because they were interested in learning magic. This statement is also wrong because the brother decided to learn magic for the livelihood. And the third one is, the lion ate all the brothers were at one go. No, this is also false. The lion ate all the brothers one by one. The moral of the story is that knowledge is more powerful than common sense. No, it's completely wrong. The moral of this story is the common sense is more important than knowledge. The brothers knew that the bones they were lying scattered belonged to a lion. This statement is also wrong. So they did not know the lion that scattered bones were of a lion. The last one is 6 number. The 6 number, Betal could not go back to his tree because Vikramaditya gave the incorrect answer. This statement is also wrong. That is, he went to his tree because Vikramaditya has given the right answer. This is the A2. I am going to solve here A2. A2, you write down, I am giving only the answer here. The first is, the children had to go to live with their maternal grandfather because their parents died. The second one is, to deal with the problem that they were facing at their uncle house, they decided to. So what will the answer come? I am just telling you here. Master some skill that would help them to earn money. Number 2 is, master some skill that would help them to earn money. Okay. The third is covering the bare bone, HT, right, with the right kind of flesh. Kind of flesh. So third, this is fourth one I am moving. The fourth one is how to add skin. How to add skin. How to add skin and hair of the animal after flesh has been added to the bones. Create the limbs limbs of the animal whose bones have been clothed cloth with skin. So up to 5th number I have done on the board. You can take a screenshot so that you can write. I'm just standing here. You take a screenshot. Okay, now I am moving to the next question, that is 5th and 6th number. The 4th brother was skilled in. So what was the skill of 4th brother? Breathing life into an animal that has been covered with flesh, covered, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered with flesh and skin and flesh. Okay, you can see, you just write down. The brothers collected the bones of an animal to display their knowledge to one another. 7 number, to display मतलब दिखाने के लिए, एक दूसरे को दिखाने के लिए. To display their knowledge to one another. So the 8th number is, the brothers have been called foolish because. So सबको एक मूर्ख, सारे भाइयों को मूर्ख क्यों कहा गया? So answer I am writing. This is the 8th number. They had knowledge. Knowledge, but no common sense. सो ये आई कंप्लीट दिस सेक्शन. आप एक इसकी पिक ले सकते हो लिखने के लिए. सो आई एम मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज क्वेश्चन आंसर. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वाई वर द कृष्णा स्वामी चिल्ड्रन लेफ्ट पेनिलेस. पूछ रहा है कि उनके बच्चे बिना पैसे के क्यों हो गए थे, मतलब विदाउट मनी क्यों थे. तो आंसर इज कि उनके जो रिलेटिव्स थे उनको उनके संपत्ति से, उनके जो भी उनके पास था उससे उन्होंने ट्रिक करके उनको बेदखल कर दिया था. सो आई एम राइटिंग ऑन द बोर्ड. So, my dear students, the first question is, why were Krishna Swami's children left penniless? The answer is, Krishna Swami's sons were left penniless because their greedy relatives tricked them out of their property when Krishna Swami and his wife died. The next question is, this kind treatment began to wane. What does this refer to? This referred to the kind treatment and care the orphan son of Krishna Swami received from their uncle. So the third question is, why and what did the boys decide to earn money? The answer is, they decided to learn some skill which helped them to earn a lots of money and be free from their pathetic situation. The fourth question is, who was responsible for the death of the fourth brothers and why? The answer is, the fourth brother was responsible for their death because even after knowing that the animal was a dangerous lion, he breathed life into it.